How to disable chat from people you don't follow on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To disable the chat from people that you don't follow on TikTok, follow this quick and easy step. Start off by launching your TikTok application in your device. Now over here, make sure your TikTok app is up to date and that you are logged in. Then tap on a profile icon that is in your bottom right corner. Once you are in here at the top, you will see the three horizontal line. Tap on it. Then navigate to Settings and Privacy. Under Account, tap on the Privacy option. Now once you are in here under Interaction, you will see Direct Messages. Click on it. If it is set on everyone, anyone can text you, that is, even the people that you don't follow on TikTok or the people that don't follow you either. So to change it, just tap on the given option, then make sure to select on Friends, which means followers you follow back. Once you do so, you'll be able to disable chat from people you don't follow on TikTok. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.